motivated the start of Paxata was to say there needs to be a new information layer in the enterprise that bridges the gap between the new data substrate that Cloudera exemplifies and the new self-service BI tools like Tableau and Qlik. And so that's really the genesis of the Paxata journey. We have to play in the customer's landscape around the business challenges that they're having with data, and we are an important part of the chain, going from the raw data that's being landed in Hadoop and managed very effectively by Cloudera, all the way to the end user use cases. So for example, in the banking context, if you look at a company like Citi, from a customer perspective, they're looking to get customer intimacy. They're looking to understand their customers' behavior and offer other things that allow them to sell more to their customers. And to do that, they need to triangulate across many of the traditional transactional data sources, but also many of the new data sources that they're collecting from social and mobile device usage of the apps that they have, and so on. We see a lot of our customers, the analysts in the business units at a place like Citi, having the ability to take Paxata, to look for the information they need, to be able to explore it, sculpt it in the way they need, and then get the results that they want to drive a certain analytic process. The power of our partnership with Cloudera is that, first of all, we run on top of the Cloudera platform. So what we are seeing people do with our technology in Cloudera is that they are able to shrink the cycle time from, I have a question, I have raw data, and now I need to turn it into something that I could actually make an analytically driven decision based on it. In many cases, we are seeing 100x, 1000x improvement, where somebody says, look, IT told us that to get this use case done, they were actually doing an IT ops monitoring solution where they were going to take data from ServiceNow and a bunch of ticketing systems and try to understand the efficiency of usage of equipment. They put that into the IT queue, right? And IT said, 2 months. It's going to take 2 months to get this project done, right? It's very reasonable from an IT perspective. With Paxata, on top of the Cloudera stack, we were able to do it in 2 hours. There is no run it in batch, wait for it, etc. I'm just going to put it in Spark. I'm going to make all the manipulations of the data. Here it is. I'm done. That is a completely transformative way of doing business. Data is the fundamental raw asset that, if harnessed and utilized correctly, can improve the standard of living for all people across the world. So why I'm passionate about big data is because I believe that we have a real opportunity to make meaningful impact in things that really matter to the lives of all people on Earth. Our technologies can be a small part of making that happen.